Hey, hey, hey. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tabitha Yont. I'm the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors. And if you're on here live, come tell me hello. Tell me what you guys are doing on this lovely Tuesday day. It's kind of misty and rainy, and it was supposed to be beautifully and 80, but it's really not. It's kind of misty and kind of cold outside. So tell me what you guys are doing today. And if you come on here live, I have some exciting things to show you and to talk to you about on Tuesday Talks with Tabitha. Hello, Tammy. Hello, hello, hello. I am super excited to talk to you guys about some things. But first off, tell me below, are you guys all ready for Easter? Are you? Tell me below. Are you ready? Have you gotten everything ready and prepared? And what is it that you serve? I want to know one thing from you guys. What is it that you serve on Easter Sunday? Do you guys have a big brunch? Do you serve ham? Do you have a specialty thing that you serve? Tell me what you serve. I'm kind of curious. We always go to my husband's family in Mound City, Missouri, and they always have wonderful, wonderful food there. And it's more like a buffet style. People ask me this all the time. It's funny. And it's a buffet style, and we always have like ham or turkey and all the fixins. So everybody brings something, so it's kind of like a potluck. So tell me, what do you guys do? Hello, Joyce. Hello, Cindy. Hello, Sue. I'm super excited for you guys to be here. I know there's some of you guys on here that is in the Elegant community, and you're going to be super happy you are. So I have some exciting things to show you. Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. It's not so sunny, but I wish it was. I think it's supposed to turn off sunny, so that'll be exciting. So tell me, are you guys ready for Easter this weekend? Which just honestly kind of crept up on me. I had some different things planned, and so now we're going to try to get them all in this week. Hello, Margaret. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, today on Tuesday Talks with Tabitha, I wanted to tell you what we're doing in the Elegant community. One of the favorite things that I am super excited that last year we didn't get to do. Hello, Janice. Hello, Debbie. We are literally planning some exciting things and that we're doing and we're implementing. One of the things that I really wanted to do is to get to know people in the Elegant community on a better basis, like really getting to visit with them and talk with them and have more community in there. So this year, my group of women, my team, I guess, and everybody, we talked about what could we do to do that. And one of the things that we decided to do is to have mini workshops in the Elegant community. It's all about learning and implementing. It's all about me teaching them these small concepts that they can actually learn, like how to decorate, what drapes to put in their house, all kinds of different concepts in small doses, and how they can implement these into their house in the Elegant community, right? So what could we do to get more community and build and get to know each other on a more intimate basis? So one of the things that we're doing this week, this Thursday, I'm so excited. We're doing these small workshops, but the crazy thing that we're doing in the workshops is we're going to do a Zoom call. Yep. We're going to do a Zoom call. And so I thought that would be absolutely amazing. We can do these Zoom calls, and we're going to get on there, and we're going to be able to talk and interact and see where people are getting stuck when they're decorating and things like that. But we even up-leveled it from there, okay? So I thought, okay, so we can have a workshop where they can kind of do something and they can learn from me and talk to me and interact, and we can start to learn to know each other. And because I've seen some of these ladies in there for quite some time, so I'm super excited to actually know them one-on-one and visit with them. But the next level that we're going to do is we have curated a box, okay? And I did this way back at the beginning in January, and I said it's called the Bee Box. And it was like Bumblebee, bzzz, Bumblebee. I said, so we're going to curate a box, and if you sign up for the box will be shipped to you. Now, I shipped those out last week to the ladies so that they'd be ready for the workshop. So if you haven't received yours, I think a lot of you have, because I get notifications. A lot of you have. So if you haven't, then you might want to watch this on replay. But if you have, then keep watching, because you're going to get to see what's in the box, okay? So I am going today, I'm not going to show you how to decorate it, because that's what you have to come into the workshop for. But most of you have received your boxes. I think 99% of you have gotten your box. And so today I'm going to reveal what's in the Bee Box. So if you're in my Elegant community, come in here and tell me that you're in there, and they are full of cute things. They are, Renee. They are darling. So when I was buying all the stuff at market, I was like, oh, I really got to have this one, because bee is the theme. The theme is bees, right? And I got to tell you, I got another surprise on top of this. Hello, 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 hello. And so I am so excited, guys. I cannot wait to show you what's in these bee boxes. So we sent these out, and I curated these bee boxes, and then we sent them out last week so that they would be at people's homes for the Zoom call on Thursday night at 6 o'clock, okay? So we're going to have women come in here, and even if they were in our elegant community and didn't buy the box to decorate, they can get on the Zoom call and we can talk and interact, okay? So you didn't have to necessarily buy that, but if you did, that's just an up level that we can decorate together and visit together and do all the things. So I'm so excited. This is something new that we're implementing. So I'm going to show you right now. I didn't put mine in a box. I put it in a little handy bag, pretty little spring bag here. So that's what I put it in. And I am so excited to show you what's in there, and some of it's sticking out. So, you know, with me, okay, you know that anytime I bring out a box or I decorate, it's all about florals. So when I curated the box, I said that there would be 6 pretty things in the box, okay? 6 pretty items in the box. And I was like, oh yes, I've got to do that. I have to do my hair and makeup for Zoom call. Renee, yes, you'll have to do that. You'll definitely have to do that. So when I curated this box, I'm like, you know, I really want it to have something with florals, which was a bonus on this. I put a little extra more in the box than the 6 items. So everybody, boom, 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 got a little lamb's ear, you know, because these boxes are curated for trays. This is a tray workshop all year long. So everything that we do, if it's 2-tiered trays or it's 1 tray, it's all these workshops that we're going to do is going to be for trays. So we're going to do that. And I'm so excited to show you how to implement different trays for the different seasons in the workshops in the Elegant community. So everybody got a little lamb's ear. And hey guys, do me some favors. If you think that this will be helpful for somebody that's not in the Elegant community and that they would love to be able to do these opportunities with us, then share this link, okay? So that they can have the opportunity to see this. So we put in, thank you guys. Thank you for sharing this. Okay, so this is like the little lamb's ear. We gave one of these. This was the little bonus that I gave. I put one of these, and I put one of these. You either got one of these, or, dun, 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 dun. I'm always singing, I know. Oh, the little topper came off. One of these little, in there. So one of these, I gave 2 in each one. So I'm gonna scoot that over so you guys can see. So I gave 2 picks for the tray that when we were decorating it, that you could have some type of floral in there. Isn't that so cool? Hello, Debbie. Good morning. Good morning, Kim. So we put 2 of these picks. So one of each. There was a combination of them. I had 3 of them. I loved these 3. And I think these are darling on any little tray. It just gives a really fresh spring look. And I thought, oh, they've got to have these to be able to decorate their trays. So in the box, I curated 2 of these. So you're welcome. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So everybody will get 2 of these in their box, okay? The next thing that we put in there, you know I'm all about the beads, okay? Everybody's all about the little bumblebees this year, and this was the theme, is the bumblebees. And look at this darling little bumblebee beads. It has the little tassels down here. Isn't that darling? Look at this. So this was in the bumblebee thing, and I just love this. It's metal, and I just think it's so cute, and it kind of reflects. See how it reflects? But if you can kind of see that, it's just darling, and it says Queen on it. Isn't that super cute? So that was in the box itself too. Isn't that so cute? I love the colors on it. So that was in their box as well. Okay, got to keep going. You know it's all about bumblebees, so you know they have to have a little flower. Look at this little wooden flower, and it's kind of got the little rough edges. I just think that's so cute. Wouldn't that be cute sitting on a little tray? I'm going to show everybody how to use these. Renee, you probably not want to watch this, Renee, if you haven't gotten your box yet. She's like, that is darling. So everybody got one of these. So they got kind of one of these. Oh, I'm going to turn it around. They got one of these, and they got one of these. Aren't they so cute? They're so cute. I just can't believe it. So you're going to have all this stuff. We're going to have so much fun playing, okay? One of the things I found, too, is this. I just think these things make little things so cute, like the little I don't even know what you call this. Does somebody know what this is called? But when I saw it, I'm like, this is like for the honey. Like, did you put the honey in? And I thought, oh, everybody's got to have one of those in their box. Because things like this, when you see them on trays or something, it just makes it so unique. So I put every single one of these in every single box. I think those are darling. Look at that. Isn't that? It's a honey dipper. Thank you, Debbie. It's a honey dipper. Everybody has to have a honey dipper on a bee tray. Hello? We know that, right? So I put one of these. Hello, Sharon. How are you? And so I put one of these in everybody's box. And I think this is darling. So this is going to be cute, especially if you just, I'm not going to show you how to decorate it. You have to come. You have to come and get to the workshop. So I'm not going to show you. I almost showed you what I was going to do. Okay, so if everybody got one of these. Hello, Sharon. Good morning. Okay, here's some cute ones too. This is, I got to say, this is pretty cute. Look at the edge of this. Look at this. Be kind. I'm always saying this is like my favorite thing. It's the cheapest and most inexpensive thing you can do. It's free. You can be kind. And I just thought that is so cute. But look at the sides of it, guys. Isn't that the sweetest? I just love it. It's like a honeycomb. It's got a honeycomb finish on it. Isn't it darling? And it's be kind. And look, see, look at all this. It's just like, we're just like building this little thing. Isn't it darling? Love these. I know, Debbie, these are so cute. So look at all this together. Isn't it starting to be cute? Oh, it's darling. I cannot wait to decorate these. So this was in the bag as well. Be kind. So that's one of the signs. Okay. Another little sign that I put in there. I know these are so fun. These are just darling. This was my favorite. I got to tell you, when I saw this, look at the shape. It's kind of got the little ridges on it. It's got this. Look at this. Is this not stinking adorable? It's just too cute. I don't know why I like this. I think it was just because of all the different colors and all the different things. I just thought that was so cute, especially with the little white. See how that's so cute together? And then this, you know, the little honey dipper. And then this. I just thought it was so cute. It's wanting to turn around here. Now you're seeing how we're building this? Isn't that darling? So this is probably one of my favorites. So we got that. But you have to have, I thought, okay, hands down, you have to have, if you're going to have a bee workshop, you have to have a bumblebee, you know? So this is what I got. This is what I got. I just couldn't believe it. Yellow is the color. That is so sunny. And it smiles. Yes, it makes you happy. But look at this. Kind. There's the word again. So this must be my word. I don't know. Because it keeps coming up. But isn't this stinking adorable? Look at that. That is just so stinking adorable. Especially with the little honeycomb. And then the little sign. I just think it's all so cute. I have a little grass honey jar I might have to use. Yes, and that's what I want you to do, Renee. When we do these, we're going to add some personal touches to them, and they're going to make them just darling. I cannot wait to see what everybody else puts with them. And I've got some little things that I'm going to add to mine to make them very personal too. Okay, so these are like all the little things, and I'm going to take a picture so you guys can see it. But this was the bee box. Hello, Mallory. Hello, good morning. So this was the bee workshop, and this was the bee box. So we're going to get together on in the Elegant community. We're going to get together and we're going to do our first Zoom call. So then that means that when we do the Zoom call, that everybody can come in. We can start talking about how to curate this, how to decorate, and we're going to work together to do this. And I'm so excited. Okay. So if this is something that you would want to do, get in the Elegant community and come in here. You can get in there. We haven't done it yet. Hello, Linda. How are you? Good morning. We are going to do this on Thursday at 6. And this is not the last one. This is the very first one. But this is just the beginning of this. We're going to have a couple more this year, so you can still get in there. Okay. So I have one last thing that I want to tell you. When I was there, and these will be available in the Elegant community and the Elegant boutique. But when I was out shopping, I thought, oh, I know all this stuff is super cute in the box and the bumblebees, and that's just kind of part of. And you'll be seeing some more of these bumblebee stuff and in the boutique this summer. But the main thing that I wanted you to know is that I found this little doll, and I got to tell you. But before I show you, I thought I've got to give this away. to one person. So when I curate these boxes, I pack all the boxes, I make all the boxes, and I'm packing all the boxes. And I thought, I'm going to give one lucky person, one lucky lady. I don't know who it is. I packed them all up. I packed them all up. I packed them all up. And here I'm packing them all up and I'm doing all the things, right? So one lucky lady is going to get this doll. I don't know who it was. I really don't. So I had all these boxes over here. You saw me. I was smiling and doing the things. I think I put it on my stories, I believe. And I packed those up. But one lucky lady, I thought this will be fun. One lucky lady got this doll in her, oh, it's caught. Hang on, guys. Got, oh, there it is. Got it uncaught. She got this doll in her box, okay? Isn't he, this little gnome? Isn't this adorable? Look at these little beaded feet down here, the little legs. So this person, and this, I'm going to show you, it's wired so you can put it straight up. You can pull it up. You can kind of mess with the little hat. Is that not darling? So one lucky lady, I don't know who it is. I was just filling out the boxes. I was just giving away. We had one lady win the lucky box, and then one lady got this one. So I have no idea who got this. So you have to tell me, guys, when you get your box, if you got this, you got the lucky box. It's a gnome. It's a gnome year. It is a gnome year. So if you got the gnome, then you got the lucky box. I don't know who that is. You're in my community. You got to let me know who got the lucky gnome. Yay. So I put this in there and I have no idea because I packed them up and sent them off. So I'm curious who got this. But look at her little tush. Isn't that darling? Especially since it goes with the whole theme. Isn't that cute? I love polka dots. You know I'm all about the polka dots. Look at that. That's so stinking cute. So when we decorate these, I will be having these be posted in the boutique, and I will be sending these out if this is something that you would like to decorate with. But look how darling. It's about the size of my face, if that shows you anything. Maybe a little bit longer. His little feet are pretty long. These will be available in the Elegant Boutique, along with some other different things, but these boxes are only available to the community. All this stuff was only available to the community. So if this is something that you want to do and you want to participate, nobody knows yet. You laugh out loud. I know, right? So if this is something you guys want to participate, get into the Elegant community. You guys, we still have time, and you guys can get on the Zoom call on Thursday night at 6. I just wanted to share this because this is so stinking adorable. I just can't wait to start decorating with the ladies that are in there and show them what we're going to do. And I can't wait to see what they put with their stuff. I'm sure that you guys have some cute stuff too, because I do too. I have some really cute stuff that I'm going to start decorating. I'm thinking it was in my box. If I was home, I'd look. That looks familiar. Renee, you got it? You got the little gnome? So that would be amazing. So you won it. Yay. Okay, well, I wondered because nobody had said, but you guys didn't know that this was an extra. So whoever got this in their box, which, like I said, I just packed one, and whoever got it is the winner. So you have to go home now, Renee, and look and see if you're the winner of this little sweet little gnome. Isn't he cute? Look at his little feet. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? Okay, guys, do me a great favor and share this with everybody and let everybody know that this was super fun for us today. And I have some other lives that we're going to be doing this week. I want to show you and tell you about what's going on at the Emma House. The Emma House has got a ton of stuff going on. I stopped there yesterday, and you won't believe what is going on there. So I'm going to have to take you for a tour. And I have some other things that I want to show you as well that we have picked out, and I need some opinions on some different things. So I will be going live this week to kind of show you and get some opinions on some things. We have sheetrock going up, and we have cabinets that have been delivered, and we have siding that's being put up. So lots of things to show you guys this week. Okay, so thank you guys so much for being here. Please share this, and I'll see you soon. And if you really want to get in on the Zoom call, join us in the Elegant community. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.